it's not a matter of if, but when. Even as the world seems to have moved on from COVID-19, the next pandemic is not just possible, but it is pretty much inevitable. These are the words of a top virologist who is warning the world of the next big pandemic. But that's not all that he said. He also raised caution about the fact that the world may not be ready to tackle what's coming next, perhaps also more frequent in number than ever before. An emeritus professor at the Hong Kong University, we're talking about Malik Perez, discovered the COVID-19 responsible for the 2003 outbreak of SARS, also known as severe acute respiratory syndrome. Not much different from the respiratory troubles faced by many COVID patients. Malik thinks the future pandemic could even see respiratory viruses causing damage on a global scale. Given how virus can travel in weeks, and he may not be wrong. In recent decades, animal viruses have more often jumped to humans than in the past, with new viruses emerging in every 3 to 4 years, including SARS, swine flu, COVID-19, Middle East respiratory syndrome, Ebola and Zika. One could argue that not all led to global pandemics. However, according to Professor Malik, factors such as livestock farming, animal husbandry in concentrated areas, increased global travel and the exotic pet trade had increased animal to human transmission of these viruses. In recent times, both speed and convenience of global travel has improved drastically, which means someone can be injected and pass it on to the other side of the world, literally in just a span of 12 hours, with or without symptoms there. So what's the solution right now? And finding ways to integrate human, animal and environmental health. He also added taking preventive action which could reduce the risk of a pandemic emerging in the first place. He further insists that health bodies such as the World Health Organization must be empowered more for better facilitation and concerted action to tackle the causes of spillover to humans. Practices such as wearing masks and hand washing and sanitization also help in remaining pandemic ready in the future.